My dear friends, I am Dr. Omkar Prasad Vaidya. Today I will be discussing about role of vitamin B12 in various health and disease condition. Vitamin B12 is a important water soluble vitamin which belongs to vitamin B complex group. Vitamin B12 has been found to prevent various disease condition. Besides, it also plays an important role in maintenance of our normal health. Body needs vitamin B12 in regular day-to-day life activities or in regular basis, but it cannot be produced from our body. So it cannot be produced from our body, but the body needs. So body depends on exogenous source or supply through diet, and that's why vitamin B12 must be taken along with the diet through food, and thus it helps in proper fulfillment of the requirement of the vitamin B12. So those person or those individuals who are 100% vegan or vegetable diet, they may suffer from vitamin B12 deficiency because vitamin B12 mostly present in the animal products. Naturally occurring animal products, vitamin B12 is mostly present, and thus those who are vegan and vegetable taking person, they may suffer from vitamin B12 deficiency in the long run. It is also important for prevention of various disease condition. It is a water soluble vitamin, and it exists in three important active form. One is methylcobalamin, then adenosylcobalamin, then cyanocobalamin. And out of these three, the methylcobalamin is the most common and the most important active form of vitamin B12. Today we will be discussing what are the important benefits of vitamin B12. So number one benefit is that vitamin B12 helps in RBC formation and prevention of anemia, especially megaloblastic anemia. Now, how vitamin B12 helps in RBC formation we will discuss. Vitamin B12 helps in DNA formation of RBC. Along with folic acid and vitamin B12, it helps in formation of DNA of the RBC. So in case of vitamin B12 deficiency, DNA of the RBC cannot be formed, and by doing that, RBC cannot divide and it cannot multiply and it cannot proliferate. And persistent vitamin B12 and folic acid deficiency individually also, along together also, they leads to megaloblastic anemia. Thus, vitamin B12 is very much beneficial because it promotes RBC production and multiplication. At the same time, it also helps in prevention of a special type of anemia known as megaloblastic anemia. Now, what is megaloblastic anemia? In megaloblastic anemia, what is happening is that the RBC is bigger in size. Megalo means big and blast means a bit premature form of RBC. So in this type of anemia, the RBC will be very bigger in shape, size of the cell, and nucleus is also bigger, cell is also bigger, and it is mostly premature. This is because during the cell division, we know both cytoplasm and nucleus should be doubled, because before a cell division should to occur, both the cell cytoplasm as well as nucleus should be doubled. So before the cell division, the RBC will double because the cytoplasm of the RBC will double because it is getting ready for cell division. But nucleus cannot divide or cannot be doubled because why? Because there is no vitamin B12 which helps in DNA formation. So without vitamin B12, DNA formation cannot occur, and without folic acid deficiency also, or with folic acid deficiency also, vitamin B12 also cannot work for DNA formation, and finally it leads to RBC formation where cytoplasm quantity is more but nucleus is very small. So this type of anemia is known as megaloblastic anemia. So vitamin B12 deficiency promotes RBC formation, DNA formation of RBC, multiplication of RBC, proliferation of RBC, and division of RBC. And in case of vitamin B12 deficiency, there is a existence of one anemia known as megaloblastic anemia. Another important function of vitamin B12 is that It helps in prevention of major birth defects. Now, vitamin B12 is responsible for maintenance of normal pregnancy. It helps in growth of the fetus brain and nervous system. So it's very much beneficial because it helps in formation of fetus brain and nervous system. It also helps in prevention of neural tube defect. It is a congenital defect or embryological abnormality that may occur in fetus in some mothers with this vitamin B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 deficiency also leads to premature birth or premature miscarriage. So vitamin B12 is very much essential because it helps in maintenance of normal pregnancy, it prevents neural tube defects, it prevents birth defects, it promotes fetal brain growth and growth of the nervous system of the fetus. Besides, it also prevents premature birth and miscarriage. So these are the very much important role of vitamin B12 in prevention of various abnormalities of the body. Another important function of vitamin B12 is that it helps in the bone formation and prevent osteoporosis. Vitamin B12 helps in bone formation or maintains bone health, normal bone health, and prevents osteoporosis and chance of fracture or risk of fracture in various individuals. Along with the calcium, vitamin D, and various nutrition and supplements, it helps in bone formation and prevents osteoporosis. Another important benefit or role of vitamin B12 is that it prevents age-related macular degeneration. Vitamin B12 helps in maintenance of normal eye health, and one of the important function is that it prevents age-related macular degeneration. Now, vitamin B12 actually lowers the homocysteine level in the blood, and by doing that, it actually responsible for lowering the age-related macular degeneration. So macular degeneration is nothing but degeneration of a structure known as macula, which is present in the eye, in the retina, and degeneration of the macula may occur because of aging or because of senility or as the age advances. Now, vitamin B12 lowers the homocysteine level, and by doing that, it lowers the risk of getting age-related macular degeneration. So, vitamin B12 is very much important and essential for eye health also. Another important function of vitamin B12 is that it helps in elevation of our mood or making us happy or preventing depression and anxiety. This is because vitamin B12 is responsible for synthesis of one neurotransmitter known as serotonin. Now, serotonin level in the brain is responsible for maintenance of our mood or making ourselves happy. Low level of serotonin and adrenaline is associated with depression. Now, vitamin B12 increases the serotonin level as a neurotransmitter in brain, and ultimately it helps in elevation of our mood and prevention of depression. So those persons who are suffering from depression, they can take vitamin B12 as supplements because it helps in prevention of depression and also makes us happy. So vitamin B12, by acting on the serotonin level, it elevates our mood, responsible for making us happy and prevention of depression and anxiety. So that is another important role of vitamin B12 on neuropsychological function of the body or neurobehavioral condition of our body. So it also prevents psychiatric condition like depression, anxiety. Another important function of vitamin B12 is that it actually responsible for prevention of neuron loss from the brain. Vitamin B12 prevents memory loss, cognitive decline, prevents dementia, prevents brain atrophy, mental decline, and enhance the memory. It has been found that along with omega-3 fatty acid, which is present in the fish oil, vitamin B12 maintains the normal function of the brain. It helps in increasing cognitive function. It increases the memory. It prevents dementia. It also prevents brain atrophy and mental decline. Thus, in case of vitamin B12 deficiency, person can have poor memory, then cognitive function of the brain will decline. At the same time, brain may undergo atrophy become smaller and shrunken with time. Brain atrophy may occur with aging also. Because of aging, the brain may become gradually smaller in size. So vitamin B12, although by its various function, prevents the brain atrophy and prevents memory loss, dementia, and various other function. So vitamin B12 is very much important for neuronal function or maintenance of normal physiology of the neurons and brain also. So it treats dementia, it treats brain atrophy along with omega-3 fatty acid and prevents mental decline. Thus, it can be given along with some brain tonic because it prevents brain neuronal loss or decline in the brain functions because of senility or because of aging. Another important function of vitamin B12 is that it helps in energy booster. It boosts our energy level. So exercise persons or those who do regular exercise, they can take vitamin B12 because it is going to enhance the vitality, endurance and energy state of a particular individual. Besides, vitamin B12 also responsible for promotion of normal heart health, or it maintains normal heart health of the heart. Cardiovascular health is maintained because of vitamin B12. How it is helping? Vitamin B12 actually lowers down the homocysteine level. Now homocysteine level is a substance which will rise in the blood when vitamin B12 deficiency is there. Deficiency of vitamin B12 and folic acid may lead to a condition known as hyperhomocysteinemia or increased homocysteine level in the blood, and which may ultimately increase the risk of myocardial infarction or heart attack. So high level of homocysteine in the blood may lead to myocardial infarction. Vitamin B12 actually helps in lowering the homocysteine level, and by doing that it lowers the risk of heart attack, myocardial infarction, and thus it prevents various cardiovascular disease conditions. So vitamin B12 is responsible for prevention of various heart conditions like heart attack, myocardial infarction and so on. Besides, vitamin B12 also helps in promotion of hair, skin and nail health. So maintenance of the normal health, hair and skin is maintained because of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 helps in maintenance of normal function of health, skin and hair. So this is another important, last but not least, function of vitamin B12. Thus we can see that vitamin B12 is a water soluble vitamin which belongs to a group, vitamin B complex group. It actually has lots of function. It helps in treatment of various conditions like anemia, memory loss, treatment of heart disease. It also prevents premature delivery or miscarriage. Besides, it also helps in maintenance of the normal pregnancy. It also prevents dementia. It also prevents macular degeneration. It also prevents heart attack, various cardiovascular conditions. And at the same time, it also responsible for maintenance of the normal health of nail, hair and skin. Thus, vitamin B12 is very much essential for our normal health and helps in treatment of various disease condition of our body.